Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you definite article. I already taught you indefinite article in an easiest method. Okay, right now, see here, before you watch this video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and you will get the notification of my newly uploaded videos. Okay, now let's come to the point. See, general English for all competitive exams. Actually, each and every examination they ask questions, right? One or two questions will be. Okay, so first you understand how to where to use and when you have to use the word the actually. Now first, the definite article is also called in two ways actually. We pronounce the word the in two ways. See, firstly we use the as well as the also. Now when do you use the word the? We use the word the, we pronounce the word the before consonant sound. If any word starts with the consonant sound, we pronounce the word the. Okay, th the as the only. For example, see the mobile, the notebook, the remote. In the same way, we use the word th the as the. See, when do you use the word as the? When do you pronounce the word as the? We pronounce the word as the if any word starts with the vowel sound. If any word starts with the vowel sound, we use the word th the as the. We pronounce the word and we use these articles, the articles before before noun actually. Okay, see, let me check here. For example, see this one, the hand actually. See, articles before vowel sound means a, e, I, o, u. For example, the hand, the the apple, the ice cream, the orange, the onion. See, these words actually, the word end has started with vowel sound. Okay, see, check it out. E is here and the apple and ice cream. Ice cream, the word ice cream is started with vowel sound, and orange, the word is also started with vowel sound. The onion. Okay, now I think you have understood when you have to pronounce the word th the and the, like that. Okay, now let's move to ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್. ನಾವು ಈ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹೇಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಲರ್ನ್. The first rules is actually, see, when we talk about a particular person or thing or one already referred, right? For example, your friend might ask, are you going to the film this weekend? The definite article tells you that your friend is referring to a specific film that both of you know that actually. You know that actually these first rules actually we use the word the, right? Right? When you use the word the, when actually in any context or directly you are not supposed to use any, actually we use the word the to refer or to mention the particular person or particular thing which is used at the beginning of the context. When you are using next time, you are now, you don't use a person or a forest like that. We use the word the person, the forest, like that. And in the question, you are, see, someone is asking here, are you going to the film this weekend? Are you going to the film this weekend means the particular film, the both the person know that. Okay, let's move to second rules. This is used before singular noun, plural noun, countable and uncountable noun. Listen here. The article the is used before countable noun, uncountable noun, singular noun and plural noun. See, I used here, take the book you wanted. Take the book is a singular noun. Book is a singular noun. I used here the, but after the book I mentioned here you wanted. Actually, it's very important. Without this sentence you are not supposed to use the before the singular noun. Actually it is, because you know that actually it's a, the word book has started with consonant. Although you have used means, the you are mentioning here the book means it refers which one here. Actually he wanted actually that one. Please give me the books which are on the table. See, please give me the books. Here the books means, okay, which book actually? Where are the books? Which are on the table. Particular, actually the books means that the books which are on the table. Here it is referring actually. Next, let's move to one more example. Close the door. Close the door, actually the door which is open, right? We usually close the door which is open. Okay, see, it's understood. Next, let's move to fourth example. You drink the milk which is on the table, right? You drink the milk. The milk means actually here, where is the milk? Okay, right? Which is on the table, the particular place. Actually it's indicated, this one, this sentence gives the complete information about the milk, actually the particular milk, the specific milk. Okay, next, let's move to third rules. When a singular noun is meant to represent a whole class, third rule is, when a singular noun represent a whole class, we use the before the word. For example, the cow is a useful animal. See, in this sentence, the cow I used here, right? The cow, see, the cow is a useful animal means not only one cow. The cow, actually a single cow actually refers the class of the cow. Okay, like that. And here also the horse is a noble animal means not single horse, the whole horses actually. Okay, next, the cat loves comfort. Another example, the cat loves comfort means all the cats, okay, all the cats love comfort. Okay, like that. The rose is the sweetest of all flowers means all the roses. Okay, understand here, that's understood. Okay, next, see here, the rich get rich, the poor stay poor. Here the rich means that it doesn't refer only one person, it refers all the rich people. Okay, and here also the poor stay poor means not only one poor man, it refers all the poor people. Okay, the brave can only succeed in life. Here the also, the brave, the word, it refers not only one person, it refers all the brave people. All the brave people can succeed. Okay, you understand here. Let's move to, I hope you understood this, the hope understood the third rules. Let's move to fourth rules. Okay, now where do you use the word? See, we use the word the before proper nouns. Proper nouns means name of a particular object or person or thing. Okay, like that here. Think of here. See, we use the word the before names of oceans, and seas. See, and even we use the, for example, the Pacific, the Black Sea, the Indian Ocean, like that. And you have used the word the before all the names of rivers. Next, and we use names of all the canals. Okay, and we also use before the names of all the deserts. For example, the Sahara, the Thar desert, like that. Okay, and we use the word the before groups of islands, not single islands. Keep that in your mind. Okay, for example, the West Indies, the Andaman Islands, like that, and the Nicobar Islands, and the 7 islands of Bombay. Okay, like that. Next, see, I hope, do you understand this one, right? Now let's move to next line. See, and we use the word the before the groups of mountain ranges, actually before names of mountain ranges, not single range, actually mountain ranges, actually now more than one. For example, the Himalayas, yes, is here plural form. Okay, right, the Himalayas, and the Alps, see, plural form. The Western Ghats, the Eastern Ghats, see, It's very easy to understand, but you have to pay attention. Next, let's move to another topic, another concept now. See, a very few names of countries and countries also. Actually, we use the word, the definite article. We use the definite article before names of some countries. Okay, what are the rules here? If any, if any name of any country ends with these words like, okay, like a republic, kingdom, groups of states, okay, if any name of any country ends with these words, you have to mention here, okay, you have to mention the definite article before the name of a country. Okay, next, and we use a definite article before all the epics. Okay, before all the epics, you know that epics. Okay, now for example, the Vedas, the Puranas, the Iliad, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, like that. Now let's move to next point, and we use the word the before unique objects. We use the definite article before some unique objects. What are the unique objects here? Now see, the sun, there is only one in the world. Okay, the sky, the earth, like that. Before these unique objects we use the word the. It's a definite article. And we also use definite article before proper noun, before proper noun, but condition is the proper noun should be qualified by an adjective. How it is, how does it work here? For example, the great Caesar. See, the great Caesar, actually great, actually it is adjective. Caesar as a name of a person. Okay, that is proper noun. And before proper noun, actually there is an adjective. Okay, before an adjective I used here the. So okay, when the proper noun is qualified by an adjective, we use the definite article. Here also Shakespeare, the word Shakespeare is proper noun, and the name proper noun is qualified by an adjective immortal. So I used here the definite article. Next, we use definite article before superlatives degrees also, especially. And how to find out whether it is positive or comparative or superlative degree? Most of the superlative degrees words end with est. Okay, in examination, understand. Okay, in examination it is helpful for you how to find out whether it is positive, comparative or superlative. See, in the word, in the first, let me take first sentence. The darkest cloud has a silver lining. In this word, just I have marked here est. This is the best book, like that. She is the tallest girl. Actually, here I used here before the superlative degree I used here the, and here also he is the shortest boy. Here also I used here this superlative degree. It is before superlative degree I used here the. Okay, next, this is the most important question. Here also this superlative degree, but I used here definite article. Okay, now understood here. Before the superlative degree also we use the word the as definite article. Next, and we use definite article before ordinals. It's very easy, you know, ordinal numbers, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Usually you say before these words, compulsorily you must mention definite article, as I have mentioned here, like that. Very simple. Okay, you can go through these sentence. Okay, the first chance, the second time, the third question, the fourth film, the fifth chance. Next, and Ninth one is, and we use the definite article before all the musical instruments, before all the names of musical instruments. See, flute is one of the musical, it's one of the musical instruments. I used here definite article before its name, right? Before its, see, you can find out that. See, you can notice this. See, it's a flute. Now, it's one of the name of musical instruments. Okay. Now, the I used here. See, the violin, the guitar, the drum, the harmonium, like that. Okay, before all the musical instruments, we use the word the as definite article. Okay, and we use the before comparative degrees also. How do you use that? Okay, let me check here. As I already told you, we use the before superlative degrees also, and here also you are using before the comparative degrees. Now, how to use this one? See, most of the comparatives is here more, better, year. Year in the end of, okay, they end with here. Okay, they end with here also better, yeah. Now, like that. See, let me take one example. The louder you shout, the louder you hear. See, this the word louder has ended with ear letter, and here also here. So before, this is a comparative degree. Before the comparative degree, we have to mention the as a definite article. And let me take one more example. The faster the car is, the more dangerous it is to drive. Yeah, the faster, the word faster is comparative degree. Here also, it's more, the more dangerous. Actually, much more like that. So here, so I used here definite article. Here also I have used here definite article. Now, just to understand, we use definite article before superlatives and comparatives also. But to understand which one is superlative and which one is comparative, this much only you have to understand. If you understand, you can find out the word in examination. You can write before these words, or else you may get confused. So be careful. Next, before names of religions, also we use the word the as a definite article. How do you use? What are the rules? Okay, what are the rules you should follow here? Now, here first, let me take one example. The Hindu religion. No, the Hindu, the Christian, the Muslim. If you write like this, it is totally wrong. Actually, we have to mention it's an Hindu, it's a noun actually. Okay, prana. Okay, noun. Prano, okay, right? It's a noun. Muslim is also noun. Before, after, but religion it's adjective here. No, keep that in your mind. So you have to completely write sentence like this: the Hindu religion, the Christian religion, the Muslim religion. If you write only the Hindu, the sentence is totally wrong. Okay, understood now? Yeah, next. And we use the before names of newspaper, maybe it is Kannada, English, Hindi, whatever. Okay, we use the word the before the names of all newspaper. It's very clear, this much only you have to understand. For example, the Hindu, the Times of India, the Deccan Herald, like that. Okay, next, and we use the word the as a definite article before the names of each and every direction. For example, see the east, the west, the north, the south, the right side, the left side, the heads, the corner, like that. And we also use the definite article before the following words. What are the words here? Right? Just focus on these words. But one condition is, after these words, a noun should come actually. If there is no noun, you are not supposed to use the word the. Okay, now how does it work? Let me check. For example, okay, for example, you are the only person I can trust you. You are the only person I can trust you. See here, you are the only person I can trust you. You are the actually, right? The is only is here. Before the this word I have mentioned the definite article. After see the word only, there is noun, person is there. Now let me check example, second example here. When is the next train to Mysore? When is the next train to Mysore? See here also you can understand the word next is here, as I already told you. Before the word, before this kind of words we use, before this kind of words we use the word definite article the, and after these words you mention any noun, but in this sentence I have mentioned here train. Okay, train is a noun here. He has the same car that, but that's not mine. He has the same car, but that's not mine. He has the same, the word same. Before the word same, I have used here definite article. After the word, I have used noun as car. Okay, I have used the car as noun. Next, fifth one is the wrong person that I met. See here also, fifth one example, one more example. In this understand, here also you can understand, this is the word wrong. Before this word, I have used definite article and I have used the word person as noun. Okay. And another thing is, we use definite article before nationalities, but the nationality should not end with the word han. Okay, should not end with yan. For example, here see Indian is there, Canadian, African, Asian, European, American, Australian, German. So before these nationality, you are not supposed to mention definite article. For rest of the nationality, word of nationality, you can mention that which end up with these words ch, sc, c, sh, ch, sc, like that. See, for example, now you can understand here the English are famous for being polite. Now I have used here the English. Okay, like that here. The French eat a lot of cheese. Here also I used here, see the French. The Chinese enjoy fireworks. Okay. Now I have used the Chinese is nationality of China, Chinese people. Okay, like that. Next, now it's enough for today. I have completely taught definite article in detail. If you have any doubts, once again you watch this video. Okay, you can understand clearly. I have covered all the rules here. Okay, thanks for watching. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video if you like my videos. Okay, bye for now.